back here with another video, man. You feel what I'm saying? So we got another banger video for y'all boy, man. If y'all got any Mopar, you know what I'm saying, y'all most definitely want to do this mod, man. This is a guaranteed mod, you know what I'm saying, something simple, something easy that we all can benefit from, you feel what I'm saying? So in today's video, I'm gonna be giving y'all, I'm gonna be showing y'all how can we bypass the active exhaust on your 𝐻𝗣𝗏 Scatpack, you know what I'm saying, or hellcat RT. It doesn't matter, you know, it's gotta be 2019 and up, man. If it's 2019 and up, you can do it, man. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all boys step by step how to bypass the active exhaust on your 𝐻𝗣𝗏, man. You know what I'm saying? It's something simple, it's easy, you know what I'm saying? It takes about like 20 minutes to do, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, that made me do this mod when I was looking up on YouTube and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Look at that boy, got a Honda over there, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the description of the original video that I got this idea from. You know what I'm saying? Let me put it in eco mode. You know what I'm saying? Alright, you know what I'm saying? I got it eco mode right now. And this is how it sounds in eco mode. You know what I'm saying? You don't really hear it in eco like that. So yeah, man, yeah, so I'm gonna get to my destination, my bro can get there, and we're gonna show y'all boys step by step of how we're gonna bypass the active exhaust in your 𝐻𝗣𝗏 Scatpack or any Mopar, man. This gotta be 2019 and up, or you'll get a check engine light, man. You know what I'm saying? If y'all haven't checked out our recent video of me hitting the top speed in the Scat, you feel what I'm saying? Make sure y'all boy go in the link in the description if y'all haven't looked at that video, man. We need to run up the likes on that video, man, if y'all want to see more videos like that. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get to the destination, you know what I'm saying? My brother gonna meet me there, and we're gonna show y'all step by step of how you can bypass the active exhaust on your 𝐻𝗣𝗏, man. So yeah, I'll be there in a sec. Alright, y'all, man, so we made it to the destination, you know what I'm saying? So we got the Scat looking nice as usual. You feel what I'm saying? Big 392. And if y'all haven't yet, man, make sure y'all hit that sub button, man. Hit me twins, man, trying to make a way, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, so since we made it to our destination, this is all you're gonna need. You're gonna need you a little jack, some little stands for real, and you're gonna need you a 8mm with a ratchet and some zip ties, and that's really it, man. So yeah, the longest part is really jacking up the car for real. So yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me and show y'all step by step. Alright, y'all, so we got my 8mm with a ratchet and these 3 bolts right here or nuts. We just gonna take them off real quick. So once you get them off, probably gotta take them all off with this. Alright, so now you just get it off real quick. Alright. And see, this was meant to be, you know what I'm saying? The spring already came off this thing. Alright, y'all, so with this right here, this is the open and close valve right here. So you see these 2 holes right here? You want to make sure you turn it to the right, so where they just coming straight from this hole right here. So make sure all of those line up. So that's closed and that's open. And once that open, you just get your zip tie, loop it around, put them in a hole right there. You see the hole? So there's a hole right there. See, these the hole that's coming from the bottom of the active exhaust right here. These holes. Got the zip tie right there. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure it's over the thing. So right now It's closed right now, but I'm gonna fix it. Just gotta get your zip ties situated first. Once your zip tie, then you put it back to close. Make sure that it don't move no more. See? That zip tie hold it in place, man. So once you got your zip tie all good and good, all good to go, now you just put everything back together. And of course we're gonna have to cut the zip tie, but right now I don't got nothing to cut it right now. So you can cut it with like a razor or scissors. Yeah. But try to line up them green torque marks back up. If I remember how it used to look. You just call it. Oh, what the minute? You don't want to break this. You don't want this shit. All right. So you got it all good to go, and that's really it. And you just cut this off real quick. Get you some cutters to cut the zip tie. And you good to go, man. And what you do on this side, you gotta do on the other side. So yeah, we're gonna show y'all that too. So this the right side, and this the left side right here. So we're about to show y'all how to do this one right here. It's the same process. All right, so we did both of them, and we got both of the springs up right here. I don't know the other spring or the other one right here. So we got both of the springs up. We got the zip tie. So now we're gonna see how it sounds. All right, man. So we just got done with the little mod. So my boy Jake, he gonna start it up for y'all. So the valves is open. So we gonna see how it sounds. But I'm gonna give y'all some cold starts and stuff too. So this is just a warm start. You know what I'm saying? So I'm back in the Scat. As y'all can see, I got it in eco mode, man. It is in eco mode, and I'm finna man. Y'all can already tell the difference, man. Y'all already can tell the difference, man. I'm not even applying that much gas inside the pedal. You feel what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna try to. Oh yeah, that thing is open. That thing is open, man. I'm gonna try to give y'all a cold start in this video and all, man. But yeah, man, this is a guarantee, well worth it mod, man. If y'all got a Challenger, Charger, RT, Hellcat, Scatpack, you name it. If y'all got one of those things and it's 2019 and up, go ahead and do it, man. If y'all got one that's like 2018 and below and stuff like that, 2019 and below, y'all can't do it because it gonna throw a check engine light, man. And shout out to the dude that I came across this channel with this video, the dude to my Dodge Charger Scatpack, man. I'm gonna leave his link in the description, man. You know, I gotta show him some support, man. You feel what I'm saying? You know, I'm not gonna take all the credit, man. I'm not gonna take all the credit of this, you know. But yeah, this made my Dodge Charger Scatpack sound amazing, man. If y'all like this mod, make sure y'all boy get this video to at least 40 plus likes, man. Y'all boy give me 40 plus likes to this video, man. We're gonna continue bringing bangers. You know what I'm saying? The summer is right around the corner, man. So y'all know we turning up. Stay tuned to the channel and let's keep on bringing these bangers, man. It's the Hemi Twins and we out.